Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge. And in this project, I'm gonna do a dice roller function. Let's explain our project. First, I will import random module here. Then I will import time module here. Then I will define my dice roller function. And in my dice roller function, first I will print dice is rolling. Then I will add a time slip which will stop our code for 2 seconds. Then I will create a dice num variable with using randint function of my random module. And here I will choose an integer between these numbers between 1 and 6. Then I will just print my result. Actually, this project really almost same with our previous project, but this was one of projects in this, so I did it. Let's run and see how it works. Here it starts and it prints dice is rolling, then it stops for 2 seconds, it sleeps for 2 seconds, then it just choose a number between these two integers. Then it assigns this number to my dice num variable, and here it just prints my result. And I guess, can I do it this way? No. Yep, and it works. I can do this way. I don't need that dice num variable. So this was a short project, so I guess that's it for this project. We will meet again in next project. See you later.